We've got a lot of questions how we do the trip in 3 days. And this is it. This is the trip sheet that I used, and you can see that I added in all of the links for everything that's needed, from the hotel to the drive time to the different hikes that we did. The first thing that you need to know for this trip is you're going to have to do a lot of driving. So what we did is we rented a pretty nice vehicle. We got lucky and got upgraded to an Audi, but that helped the trip quite a bit because it was a lot more comfortable, especially for this first drive that is 7 hours and 11 minutes total. So what we did is we drove from Las Vegas. We flew in on a Friday night, drove to the Mystic Hot Springs in the morning, made a reservation there on Saturday, and went to that around noon. And then we went to Delicate Arch after that to watch the sunset there. The next day, on day 2, which was Sunday at this point, we drove 5 hours and 30 minutes from Moab through Canyonlands National Park. Took the freeway through Capitol Reef. And then we drove to Bryce Canyon National Park. Then the last day of our trip, day 3, so this is Monday at this point, we drove from Bryce Canyon to Vegas. Between those places, we stopped at the Coral Sand Dunes, which is pretty close to the entrance to Zion. And once we got into Zion, we actually parked our car at Springdale, rented our gear so we could do the Narrows, and then we took the shuttle bus from there, which, as most people know, you have to have a pass for, so do make sure you get the reservation.